Life is throwing, all the opportunities, all the disappointment, all the success, all the failures on you. You just keep receiving it. Life is exuberant. Oh, you just get stuck to few colors. I like red colors. Nonsense. I like blue color. This is nonsense. Don't worry about these. Okay, I like this, I like that. Forget about your likeness. Just play with all the colors. All the colors, because that's what life exuberance is about. Life throws everything at you. Life throws black at you. Just be graceful and receive it. The black you may not like it. Some disappointment, something has happened. It's okay. Life throws you some color of celebration. They make you feel as if, they don't just think that this is what I want, more of it. No, let any color come to you. Enjoy every color that life throws at you. You just be open to that. You become Radha. You become Radha. When Krishna is throwing colors on Radha, Radha do not say, oh, don't put this yellow color on me. Just put that red one, okay? Oh, my dress will get dirty. Oh, my makeup will get, ruined. Don't think about all these things. When life is throwing colors at you, you think as if you're Radha. And Krishna is throwing colors at you. Life is throwing, all the opportunities, all the disappointment, all the success, all the failures on you. You just keep receiving it. Keep becoming the Radha to life. Yes. Can we be that?